We'll replace your old, worn out, or ugly bathtub with a modern, durable, beautiful new bathtub. Your new bathtub includes beautiful, modern, grout-free, mold and mildew resistant wall surrounds with new plumbing and fixtures. Here's what comes with your new bathtub install. Like all of our services, your bathroom remodeling project comes with our unbeatable 5-star value. Our value to you is unmatched in the industry. We guarantee 6 points of value with each and every customer we serve. First is our 5-star craftsmanship guarantee. Your bathroom project will be completed by certified craftsmen to guarantee the highest quality and most beautiful results. Our craftsmen have remodeled tens of thousands of bathrooms and have hundreds of years of combined bathroom remodeling experience. We never cover up your problems. We start with a complete tear out and rebuild of your bathroom area for a truly permanent, durable, and long-lasting result. That means no grout, no mold or mildew, and completely waterproof from floor to ceiling for life. Secondly, we use only 5-star quality products and materials with every bathroom project that we do. These materials are modern, durable, and beautiful. The results? You get a clean, beautiful look with the latest modern technology that provides you a mold and mildew-free, extremely low maintenance bathing area. Third, we guarantee your bathing area will be waterproof for life, from floor to ceiling. We start with a complete tear out, so we can do a thorough inspection, and then rebuild the shower area using the most advanced waterproof products available. You get the peace of mind of a safe, clean, and long-lasting shower area, which means no rot, no moisture, no mold in your walls. You'll get only a clean, safe bathing area for you and your family. Fourth, we back every project we do with a fully transferable lifetime warranty. This covers all labor, all materials, all products, and will be serviced for life by your 5-star Bath Solutions installer. Fifth, we guarantee you'll be satisfied with your new bathroom and glad you chose us. We believe that if we use 5-star quality products and provide a 5-star service, then we should get a 5-star review. Our company has thousands of positive reviews and an overall 99% satisfaction rating. We remodeled tens of thousands of bathrooms. We have the experience and systems to provide you a 5-star result and a 5-star experience. 6, we believe that every family deserves a safe, clean bathing experience. We offer pricing options to fit any budget, including our convenient smart pay financing. We have the purchasing power of a large national chain and pass all that savings to you. As a result, we are thousands less than traditional remodeling. With 5-star Bath Solutions, you'll get a 5-star quality bathroom remodel, a 5-star remodeling experience, all at a modest, affordable price. Book your free in-home estimate today and see how 5-star Bath Solutions can keep you and your family clean and safe in as little as one day.